Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to know how exactly we can build AI powered application using Google Gemini plus LangChain. Because if you are interested in generative AI and LLMs and building a real world AI application, then this video is for you. Because this video will learn how you can connect Google Gemini API to your VS Code to generate your own text. Because we all know that in case of ChatGPT or Claude or Anthropic, you have to pay money to buy their API key. But in case of generative AI, you don't have to pay anything. You can do this as a free. So this is very useful if you are making any AI powered application using Google Gemini. So first of all, I am in VS Code. So you have to I created one folder. So you have to create a file, Python file. Before creating any Python file, I'll create a virtual environment. Okay. If you don't know what is virtual environment, I already created a video on top of that. Please watch the video. I go to terminal and I will create a virtual environment. Okay. So for that, you have to write Python -m and enter. You'll see virtual environment created. And then I have to activate it. It will take some time. How you can activate it? You have to write bnb script activate. Click enter. Virtual environment have activated. Okay. Then I have created one Python file called app.py and I will create one txt file that is recommended.txt. So why I created this recommended.txt file? Because what are the dependencies I need to create this application? I keep this in my recommended.txt file. Okay, and from that I will install all the recommend that is needed to in this application. .txt. Okay. So what are the things I need? So I need first of all LangChain because I will use LangChain. LangChain core. Then need LangChain Google Gen AI. Then need Google Generative AI. Transformer. Python .env. I use python.env for connecting to my API key in my environment. Okay, and another file I will create that is .env file. I use this file because I keep my API key in .env file and I extract the information in my app.py file using .env. This is my env file. In this .env file, I will keep my Google API key that I will create. So for that, I have to go to first Google Chrome and I have to search for Google Studio. From where I create my API key. You can see over here get API key. You have to click over here. And this is my API key that I have created before. And if you want to create one API key, so you have to create just create API key. I have to create first of all one project. I already created projects. I use this project. If you don't have any project, you click create project and give your project name and click create project. Okay, because I've already created projects, I use this. And give my API key name. I give my API key name like Gen AI app. Okay, I just click create API key. So this is my API key, Gen AI app. Okay, just click here and you have to copy this API key. In it, I go to my over here, this is here, and I paste this API key over here. I'll store this one variable. So variable name is Google API key. Google API. Okay. Paste your API key over here. And then I have to install some dependency. Before installing dependency, I have to use this. For that, I write pip install -r requirement.txt file name .txt. Okay, click enter. Click enter. Okay. Oh, because I have to save it, then copy this and paste this. Relog. I'm getting some error. I have to fix this. So I have installed all the requirement that is needed to perform this app. Because I'm getting some error, so I fix this and I install this. Okay, so for that you have to go to app.api and have to import some classes. So I already, these are the class we need to build this application. First we'll need from LangChain underscore Google underscore Gemini AI import Google Generative AI. Okay, that Google Generative AI. Then we need from .env import load.env. Here are the things that we have to load my API key. Here we already paste my API key, and I need this over here. I have to load this in this app.py file. Okay, that's why I have to use .env. So first of all, I have to write load underscore .env. Okay, then we have to create a variable API underscore os dot get env. With the help of os.getEnv, we load our API key from .env file to app.py file. Okay, then we need to create one variable that's model, and we have to use chat Google Generative AI. Generative AI API key and model, and this is my API key. We pass this API key, this variable and model. Here we don't use Google Pro, we use another model. That model name is, I have to go to for this here and go to project. I think here we can see there is lots of model over here. You can use anything. So I will Google Gemini 2.5 plus. Okay, this model I will use. I just copy this part. Okay, and paste this over here. Enter. We have to create one variable that is called result. Okay, because we have to keep my result. So model, I have to use model dot invoke. Why use invoke over here? You have to keep search the information from the Google Gemini LLMs to my local system. So that's why we use invoke. Okay, you have to model dot invoke, and we pass our question inside invoke. Okay, we pass like this question: explain the theory of relativity in simple term. Okay, let's see, and we pin the result dot content. Okay. Why use content? Because we only need the content. Otherwise, if you feed only result, there is many information they are giving. Okay, but we use only content because we need only content. Okay, just I save this and pin this. Let's see, I am getting output or not. Let's see, I'm getting some error. Let's see how what is the error. Guys, I am find the error because I keep the wrong name over here. Okay, I have to put this name because the auto generated code is very difficult. I just have to keep this over here. Let's save and see. Guys, I'm fix the error. I'm getting some error. I just simple. I just take the ChatGPT and it's error from my laptop. So I just run this 2 more times. It will work. Okay. Then I'll run this. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how it's work or not. Take some time. Let's see. Output is coming. Einstein theory is shown that space, time, matter are not separate. Okay. When the theory of relativity in simple term. Okay. Output is coming. This is how you can use Generative API in your build your own AI application. I just connect the API to your local system. So you can make any website or anything. You have to give structure output. You have to use runnables and many things you can do. You have to many things you can use to make this better. I just in this video I just show you that how you can uh, connect your Gemini API to your VS Code using in VS Code. Okay. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section.